Steamed 3-color sweet potato cassava kuih. A visually striking and delicious dessert. The 3 distinct colors, yellow, orange, and purple, are naturally derived from different types of sweet potatoes. The preparation of this kuih involves several meticulous steps to ensure that each layer is perfectly smooth and well cooked. Steam yellow, orange and purple sweet potato over medium heat for 35 to 40 minutes until very soft. Measure out 160 grams for each. Make a shallow cut on the skin of cassava, peel off the skin with knife. You will need 1.0 to 1.1 kilograms of cassava. Rinse with water. Cut cassava into half, remove the tough fiber in the center. Cut cassava into wedges. Finely grate with food processor. Measure out 750 grams of grated cassava, 290 grams thick coconut milk, 100 grams plain water, 3/4 of a teaspoon fine salt, 285 grams fine sugar, 180 grams tapioca starch. Mix well. Add to grated cassava gradually, mix until combined. Divide into 3 equal portions, each about 530 grams. For yellow layer, add yellow sweet potato to 1 portion of cassava mixture, blend until smooth. Pour into lined 8-inch square baking pan. Swirl the pan to let the batter evenly distributed. Put into steamer, steam over medium heat for 8 minutes. For orange layer, add orange sweet potato to 1 portion of cassava mixture, blend until smooth. Pour orange layer over yellow layer. Steam again over medium heat for 8 minutes. For purple layer, add purple sweet potato to 1 portion of cassava mixture, blend until smooth. Pour purple layer over orange layer. Smooth the surface with spatula. Steam again over medium heat for 50 minutes, until thoroughly cooked. After steaming, set aside to cool completely. It is important to allow the kuih to cool entirely, to ensure that it holds its shape when cut. Use plastic knife for cutting to prevent sticking and to maintain the clean, sharp edges of each piece. A stunning, multi-layered 3-color sweet potato cassava kuih is ready to be served. Remember to share and like if you love this recipe. Subscribe now for more interesting recipe videos.